If you watch most crime shows on TV, you've probably seen somebody drawing one of these progressive composite sketches. Our Ariana Meadows sat down with an artist in Anderson County at the Sheriff's Office to see how that works, a story you'll see only on 7.
If you're ever a witness or a victim of a crime, the investigation may start with these two things: a pencil and a sketch pad. Lieutenant Todd Karen with the Anderson County Sheriff's Office says composite sketching is the art of putting a picture together using a person's memory.
You sit down with a victim and they choose out facial features that the composite artist puts onto the paper and just works with the victim to make any changes.
Descriptions can be as specific as the lines on someone's face and even the way their hair was parted. Lieutenant Karen says the top 4 features victims or bystanders should pay attention to are the person's eyes, nose, mouth, and hair.
A lot of times if they can't remember, we'll try to go over some things with them to help them remember, have them close their eyes, picture back. When things like this happen, traumatic event, people get what's called a flashbulb memory, where they'll have a certain, almost like a Polaroid, an instant Polaroid of what happened, and a lot of times you can ask that person to go back and mentally think about that.
Sergeant Juven Mitchell says the accuracy of the image depends on the information given by the victim or witness.
So if they are really detailed on the description, such as eyebrows or their nose, and lighting is a very big thing. So if it occurred at night or is occurring during the day, the shadow of that face could change. The artists are also trained to see if someone is telling the truth.
Sometimes you do get cases where the people lied about it. There's a pretty well-known case, Susan Smith, that drove her 2 kids into the lake. She was caught by the composite artist because some of the stuff she was giving as far as descriptions weren't adding up. They teach us how to look for when someone's being deceitful. You draw a feature that's not what they told you to draw, but if they're making it up, they don't know.
The final sketch leads to the next part of the investigation.
They will generate a photo lineup, and we will show a series of photographs of that photo lineup to the person that we got the story from,
hoping to get one step closer to solving a case. The Anderson County Sheriff's Office says on average it takes about 2 hours to draw a sketch. In Anderson, Ariana Meadows, 7 News.
Anderson County Sheriff's Office says these sketches are only used when surveillance video is blurry or not available at all, and when other witnesses come forward to testify.